Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the pull-out process of the steel plate from the concrete, reinforced concrete slab here. You can see this is the steel, and let me click on animate. See, this is the pull-out process of the steel plate, and you can see the failure and damage happen inside the concrete during the pull-out process, and the steel bar, you can see they failed. And let's me to click on this and request the damage for the concrete, the damage parameter for the concrete. You can see it during the dynamic pull-out process. And for instance, plastic strain for it, or stress, and let's me to remove the steel, the concrete, the steel, and see the steel bar. See the steel bar here, they are failed. And you can request everything, for instance ductile damage, the ductile damage which we use for the steel bar, and pressure for the concrete, yield criterion for it. These blue areas are the failed area, and displacement and everything. So if you need this tutorial, the plate pull-out from the concrete, reinforced concrete, you can come to our website www.abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorials, click on the blue sign or title, or you can search it here in the search section of the website to find this. And then you will have this title, short explanation about the process, especially here about the geometry and part module, and then some explanation about the material, steps, interactions, mesh, boundaries, and after then the result as figures. You can see them here, and at the end there are three important points. The file contains CAI in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can use PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can pay through that. Before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing through a PayPal account. Thank you for